I want to introduce an economist, Yababa, the only governor who Ochilo must borrow something from. Why? The governor, like Kipia, he stood with Baba. He's an economist. Currently, is the one who has been challenging the Kenya Kwisha economic plans. There is no way you can tax people when the economy is on recession. You caution them. Thank you. Kizungu benasamo Martin anyway. And Sona Westka. Another brilliant son of the soil. Governor Mwangi Wairia. Thank you so much. You stood with Baba. And since you joined Baba, the mountain is roaring. Umeleta vote. Hata kama wanakupinga Baba, huyu ni mtu wetu. Sisi tutamchangia kama imeumana. Ni dume wana. Si uliona siku ile River Road. Veje tulichanga. Bas. Wanigi senator wa. Nyadundo to teach na tech. Eddie work. Hey. We have one and only one. Eugene Wamalwa. Babo kadua keto. Yawa. Babo konani kikawe mokatambo jadung sirama kukilo. Jadung fofoya. Kwa niaba majo dongo fofoya jadung sirama kukilo. Hero kamano. Kikichung kanyo. Timatima liweti kama. Kamano. Hero kamano Sara. Chero kamano jadung sirama. Finally, Baba anonge gimawacho. Jomigori. Wase sandre igni apar mokalo kokwane services. Parties the vehicle mo deliver go services.